Hey guys, for this video, I'll show you how to fix the due to repeated failed login attempts in Snapchat. This is a simple fix, so watch until the end. If you logged in too many times, Snapchat will display an error message saying you won't be able to log in because of the attempts. Here's a simple fix. Open your Safari or any other website and search Snapchat support. Once you're here, tap on Contact Us and then follow what I click. First, tap on I can't access my account. Now, I forgot my password. And after that, they will ask you for your email and name information. But before this, click on Yes. Now just add your information here. And then, for the description, just type your problem, which is the repeated failed login attempts. And there you go. It should be fixed in the next 24 hours if you submit it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.